This waffle maker is a game changer. Stuff it with anything from sweet strawberry jam to savory buffalo chicken with cheddar. It even comes with a spatula for effortless serving. This cake stand is different than the rest because it transforms into a serving dish for your favorite fruit, veggies, snacks. The lid is shatterproof, base is removable, stand is solid wood, and you could even use it as a salad bowl. This is a cow container so you can neatly store 24 premium cheese slices for easy access and don't have to worry about them getting squished or lost in the fridge. This is a rotating kitchen utensil set, and each piece has a built-in lid so the head doesn't touch the counter. This contraption holds up to 25 pounds of rice and features a button to dispense the perfect amount into a measuring cup that also functions as a strainer. Check out this egg storage container with a smart sloping design that lets eggs slide right into the empty spots. This is the perfect spice organizer. It has a drawer with 2 tabs, so you can easily mount it onto an existing shelf. It gives you access to the spices you use most often, and when you're done, it folds up neatly out of the way. Plus, you can remove it whenever you need. This touchscreen toaster is like living in the future. With extra thick slots, it can handle toast, sliced bread, bagels, pastries, grain breads, nooks and crannies, and waffles. Plus, you get to choose from 6 different shades. This is a 3-layered ice mold for your Stanley cup so the ice doesn't melt too fast and drinks stay cold for longer. These are my favorite rub grippers, and love that they easily attach to your runners that keep them in place on your tile or wood floor. Steps, a railing, either with screws or the included adhesive tape, and is a simple DIY to elevate the look of your home. This is a handy vacuum sealer that lets you automatically extract the air from small and wide mouth mason jar.